In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix driver errors on Windows 11. Driver errors can often cause issues with your computer's hardware, leading to problems such as peripherals not working correctly, erratic performance, or even system crashes. Fortunately, addressing these issues is usually straightforward, and today we'll walk through the process together to get your system running smoothly again. First, let's identify the problem driver. Begin by pressing the Windows key and X on your keyboard simultaneously to open the Power User menu. From here, select Device Manager. This tool lists all your computer's hardware devices and is essential for troubleshooting. Once Device Manager opens, take a careful look through the list to spot any yellow warning icons, unknown devices, or devices showing error messages. These indicators point to hardware components experiencing driver issues. Make a mental or physical note of any affected devices, as we'll need to address these specifically. After identifying the problematic device, the next step is to update the driver. Still in Device Manager, find the device with the error, right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, choose Update Driver. You'll be given an option to search for updated driver software. Select Search Automatically for drivers. Your system will now search online databases and your local storage for the latest driver software. This automatic process is convenient and ensures that the correct driver version is installed. Once it's complete, remember that restarting your computer is crucial to apply these changes effectively. In some instances, the drivers may not update automatically, or additional updates might be needed. In such cases, checking for optional driver updates can be beneficial. Here's how to approach it. First, open your computer's settings by pressing the Windows key and clicking on the gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, head over to Windows Update. It's located in the left pane of the Settings window. Click on Advanced Options, where you will find a section labeled Optional Updates. Here, search for any available driver updates and proceed to install them. Optional updates often include significant driver updates that manufacturers release to fix known issues or enhance hardware performance. Once you've completed these steps, it's essential to restart your computer again. Restarting not only finalizes the installation process, but also allows your system to reload all drivers without the old, possibly corrupted files getting in the way. Following these simple steps can resolve most driver-related issues you might encounter in Windows 11. As always, with troubleshooting, patience, and careful attention to detail ensure a smoother experience. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and I hope your Windows 11 device returns to optimal functionality quickly. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.